Hi everybody, it's me Vaughan. Today, got a big job on our hands. We're doing a lawn renovation. Now we've got the best equipment for the job with the John Deere, but we need the best person for the job, and that's where my new mate KJ comes into it. And look, he's just arriving right now. What fortuitous timing that he should arrive right as I point at him. KJ, good to see you, mate.
G'day, mate, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Now, this isn't the sort of turf you're probably used to, because you turf manage Seddon Park in Hamilton.
Yeah, I do, mate, yeah.
You don't run a big knotty kaikuya?
No.
Okay, well, we've got a bit of a problem.
Love problems, mate. What have we got?
Let's go and solve it now.
Show
I'll show you what we've got. Here is the problem that needs a solution. The new septic tank went in March. It was a real mess. Over winter it's kind of settled down. Spring we've had a bit more growth come through, but as you can see it's all uneven, bumpy as. Well, what do you reckon?
Well, I think what we need to do, the first thing is get your levels right. So we'll just have a wee look here. You can kind of see.
Oh, we're going down.
We're going to go down and have a look here, because this is the dance floor, right?
This is the dance floor.
I can just see that there's a lot of work needed on your levels. What I propose we do, we might just get in and shave all this down.
Yeah.
We'll get in some soil and compact it all, and we'll spread it around and get it nice and level, smooth it all out, sow it with a bit of kaikuya seed,
beautiful,
bit of starter fertiliser on it, and then I'll love to see you put a bit of water on it, mate, and then sunshine and beautiful grass growing, and yeah, it's pretty easy really, eh?
Sounds it. Kind of.
Like, have a look at it, shows up that the levels are pretty bad. If we just throw this rake across here, you can kind of see the gap that we've got under there. Can you
now I get to drive the tractor.
bring some soil, eh?
Another one down there.
Good job, mate.
Oh, thank you.
I think that's looking pretty good so far. So I'm going to introduce you to a bit of technology in the turf world. So how we level this now is called a rake.
Oh, okay. I've heard about these things.
Yeah, you know, that we can spend getting the levels right. There's a few little areas that are not perfect.
I can imagine you could lose hours chasing perfection.
Weeks.
Get me on a rake, let's level this thing.
Let's go. He's on the tractor, I'm on the rake. I've got this wrong, haven't I? It's just what they call a lawn leveler. Look at that. All right, mate, so we'll just close that off for a start. We'll tip the seed in. Now the best thing about it is you're putting on some seed starter or a fertiliser starter. Okay. So what it is, the NPK, it's got nitrogen, yep, phosphorus, yep, potassium, and you'll have a higher phosphorus, which helps root development. So I always love to put a starter on. Okay. Because what you want is for any new seed, whether it's kaikuya like what you've got or whether it's any other variety of seed, you want the roots to go down, because that is the key. Yep. Get the roots down, because that's where all the strength of the plant will come from. Do the honours, mate. It's like pouring champagne, isn't it? We'll spread it. Look at that.
Put it there.
How good.
So good.
How good.
Ah, it already looks so much better.
Doesn't it?
And the grass hasn't even grown yet.
You wait. We haven't totally finished.
Water. Yeah. Doesn't rain, should I be watering it every day?
Yeah, you just need to watch. It just doesn't want to dry out.
This is good?
Mate, you've done it before.
Yeah, I've watered a couple of things in my time.
Good. Yeah, you just don't want to have it blowing down in a jet, so that's perfect. This is peaceful, isn't it?
And this is the good stuff. Well, I mean, I can ruin it from here, but here's hoping I don't. We'll see you in 6 weeks.
Can't wait.
I'm paddling. I was talking, I was distracted, and now I paddled. Oh, KJ.
Hello, how you going?
I'm good. Sun's shining, grass is growing.
It's grown?
It is growing.
Will you show me?
Come on, have a...
Fantastic, can't wait to see it.
Well, here it is. Too much grass. So it's a very dry summer here, so I've been watering it every day, and, well, here's the result.
So we now need to have a bit of a plan for what we do now, eh?
I assume mow it, but not with these.
You reckon?
No.
What do you got to mow it with?
I got a John Deere.
Stop it. Have you?
I do. Snuck up on you.
It's not going, is it?
Oh, it's just electric.
It's electric.
Does the job too. Let me show you.
Last time that we were here, there was no grass.
Holes, bumps, clay, mud. It was a real mess full of weed. Anything that was growing in it was a weed. Look at it now, looking great.
You look very proud.
Very proud to see my summer's work come to fruition.
Can I leave you a tip?
Yes, please.
One of the wee things, people don't mow their lawns enough. So I always say mow it often, right? So more times you mow, you can just keep tipping the leaf, and that'll help it to thicken up a bit as well. Mate, it's been an absolute pleasure. I look forward to perhaps coming back and celebrating another Russell Wood here in this. Mate, it's been outstanding.
How are you with hedges? I've got more jobs than me.
Yeah, fantastic. Bring it on.